Please come with me. Let me take you on how I made this delicious Editan soup. Editan soup is prepared with Editan leaf and water leaf. And this soup is second to Afang soup. And I think I prefer Editan soup to Afang soup. Which do you prefer? Let me hear in the comment section down below. Add your preferred protein to the pot. Add your stockfish, very important. Add your pepper, best seasoning, salt, stir together to combine and cover it. Allow it to cook with its own juice for 10 minutes. The meat is cooking at the moment. I will go on to prepping our leaf. This is Afang leaf. I just wanted to show you the different leaves. This is Atama leaf, and this is what we're going to use. The last one, Editan leaf. Editan is way bitter than bitter leaf. All you need to do is to cut it as you cut Afang leaf, pound it and wash it until the slime and the bitterness is out of the way completely. Then you set it aside for later use. After 10 minutes, I added a bit of water, covered and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Then I introduce the dry fish. After the dry fish, I introduce crayfish and I stirred, and here I added my unshelled periwinkle. Added water so the periwinkle will steam cook with the rest of the protein. Then I'll remove and set it aside. In the same pot, I added palm oil. When it was hot, I added pepper, added my best seasoning and crayfish. I will fry the crayfish into the oil just for 2 minutes, and then I'll reintroduce the protein we set aside, and then I'll stir properly to combine. Make sure you stir this very well so everything will be well incorporated. Cover it and allow it to simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome to the family. All right, all we do here is just cook. If our activities here interest you, kindly do well to subscribe. We appreciate you, right? Welcome. Also activate your notification bell so you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. After 12 minutes, I went back to the pot. I added more crayfish, and it's time to take in the water leaf. After adding the water leaf, you just cover and allow it to wilt a little bit before you stir, or if you prefer to stir immediately, fine. All right, so you're going to stir properly to make sure that the protein and the water leaf marries each other. And I adjusted with a bit of salt. I will stir together to combine. It's time to take in the Editan leaf. Now the process of making the soup is the same as making Afang soup. The difference is just in the leaf. The process is the same. To me, I prefer Editan soup to Afang soup. So I don't know about you. Which do you prefer? Please let me hear in the comment section down below. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I appreciate you. After introducing the Editan leaf, I will introduce more crayfish, and then I will bind everything with more oil. I'll then stir together to combine, cover and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, and the soup is ready. At this point, the aroma in my kitchen was something else, and you can pair this soup with any swallow of choice and enjoy. The food is ready. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will try the soup in the nearest future. Thank you for watching once more. Until I see you in my next one, do have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.